Hello there, YouTubers. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day today, YouTubers. And today's YouTube video is going to be King Arthur Grandfather Clock, Westminster Chime. So without further ado, let's just get straight into King Arthur Grandfather Clock, Westminster Chime. YouTubers, I believe this is going to be the last part of this King Arthur Grandfather Clock Chimes playlist, YouTubers. Because, again, how we're doing it is 3 chimes in 3 hours. Again, we did Whittington, which is at 6 o'clock. We did St. Michael's at 7 o'clock. And, again, 8 o'clock is going to be the Westminster Chime. As, again, if you guys want me to do the silent melody, it's actually not a melody. Silent just turned off the entire movement, which turned off the melody and the strike. Just leave it in any out of the 3 videos: King Arthur Grandfather Clock, Whittington Chime, King Arthur Grandfather Clock, St. Michael's Chime, and this video, King Arthur Grandfather Clock, Westminster Chime, if you guys want me to make a bonus video of this clock striking 9 on the silent melody, okay? Again, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to use a flashlight right here. And we're going to stick it inside the chiming mechanism where the chime hammers and the chime rods are. Let's see to make sure we have enough time. By the way, YouTubers, this King Arthur Grandfather Clock is a chain-driven clock because you pull the chain to pull the weights up. The one on the left is chain is for the left weight, the one in the middle and for the center is for the middle weight or the center weight, and the one on the right is for the melody weight or chiming weight because this one controls the chimes. This right weight pulls this weight up. Yeah, you already know, guys, the wood was actually already broken since I got the clock, like I said in the previous video. You also want to, guys, tell you that you also know that this clock actually used to be in this corner where that piano is, but we moved it into this corner because my parents told me that. Let's see if we have enough time. Yeah, I think we got enough time. I actually have a third grandfather clock, but that's not in my house. Actually, it is in my uncle's house. If you guys on the weekend want me to do a YouTube video of all 3 chimes in 3 hours on the 1981 Howard Miller grandfather clock, if you guys want me to do 3 chimes in 3 hours on the 1981 Howard Miller grandfather clock, let me know, guys, in the comments below if you would like me to do a video of the 1981 Howard Miller grandfather clock. So how it's going to work is 3 chimes in 3 hours. One video will be the Whittington chime, one will be the St. Michael's chime, and one will be the Westminster chime. If you guys want me to make those 3 videos, let me know, guys, in the comment section below this video if you would like me to or not, okay? You know, YouTubers, I have never seen this clock malfunction before. What it did in the second part is it didn't strike. Hold on, guys, and the lock should go off, actually. Careful not to drop the flag. So I'm gonna just double check to make sure it's gonna go off. Yep, it's gonna go off in like any second from now. Okay, guys, I also want to let you know, guys, I actually did have a little bit, I do apologize, guys, on the second part of this King Arthur grandfather clock, the St. Michael's chime. I do apologize, guys, that there was actually a little bit of a delay in the video, because what I had to do is when it struck 7 o'clock, the hammers didn't even move. So what I had to do is move the minute hand backwards and back forward to the 12. That's why I had to kind of move back the minute hand this way, then this way back up, in order to get the clock, to get these, turn the flash, to get these hammers to move, because when it first struck the first time, the hammers did not move when it was going to strike 7 o'clock. And then I had to move the minute hand backwards, then back forward to the 12. Then the second time I moved it to make it strike 7 o'clock, it did move. But the funny thing is that, if we take this panel out, put that right there. Let's move the flash in here. The hammers did not strike after it was done playing the melody, the St. Michael's melody, on the hour to strike 7 o'clock. And if you guys want me to do a YouTube video of this King Arthur grandfather clock, 3 chimes in 3 hours, 10 o'clock, Whittington, 11 o'clock, St. Michael's, and 12 o'clock, Westminster. If you guys want me to do that again, let me know in the comment below. I don't know, guys, would you like me to do, again, a bonus 4th video of the silent, setting on this grandfather clock? As again, if I, want to tell you guys, if I have time to go to my uncle's house and make a video of the 1981 Howard Miller grandfather clock, I'm going to try to let you know, guys. If you want me to do that, let me know, guys, in the comment section below of the King Arthur grandfather clock Whittington chime video, the King Arthur grandfather clock St. Michael's chime video, and this video, King Arthur grandfather clock Westminster chime. Would you like me, guys, to make a video of all 3 videos on all 3 chimes of the grandfather clock, of it chiming once an hour, one on Westminster, one on Whittington, one on St. Michael's, and one on Westminster. YouTubers. And if you would like me to do a bonus silent video on the 1981 Howard Miller grandfather clock, I'm not going to be able to get it done on a Friday because it's a weekday. But for sure on a Saturday or a Sunday I can get it done, okay? Yeah, YouTubers. You know, YouTubers, I don't know, does this clock actually need to be oiled? Because I think it might be, because this clock I got in summer, in August 2018. So that would be about maybe 3.5 years old. For some reason, also what happens is that this minute hand always keeps falling off after the minute hand, like, turns around, like, after 3 hours. Like, every 3 hours, what it does is it gets stuck and drags along with the hour hand, or what it does is it falls off. So yeah, YouTubers, I hope you guys enjoyed this YouTube video, King Arthur grandfather clock, Westminster chime. Please subscribe, rate, like, and dislike. Comment below, be a #1 fan. And as you always know, YouTubers, peace out. Any last bonus words for me to add? I don't think I have anything else to add. And I'll see you guys on Tuesday.